You're brave to say that you'll get lost in love, but you've opened your heart to me. Underneath all you feel, you know how deep our love could be. Tonight, we'll touch until it's time to go. Then I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not through. I can do so much for you.